Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable night vision on your EUFY S350 indoor cam. So the first thing we're going to do is find our device. So it should look like this if you have it connected to the EUFY app. And then we're going to click on the three dots and then click on the gear icon and scroll down to video settings. Click on that. And here we have the night vision option. So if you click on the night vision option, here you have three options. So for example, automatic. So it enables the night vision automatically when there's not enough light. You can disable it fully or enable it always. And once you're done, you can exit out. It will save it automatically. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.